Animal Costumes, written by Nancy Helen Kessler. Focus question: what are some costumes animals can wear? People wear costumes. Animals can wear costumes too. A dog can wear the wings of a butterfly. A dog can wear the mane of a lion. A goat can wear the crown of a princess. A cat can wear the bandana of a cowboy. A dog can wear the mask of a superhero. A dog can wear the fins of a shark. A rabbit can wear the hat of a nurse. A dog can wear the snout of a pig. What costume is this dog wearing? Connections, writing and art. Imagine you are dressing up an animal in a costume. Draw a picture of the animal in its costume and write about it. Social studies. When do people like to dress animals in costumes? Share your ideas with a partner.